The recent Copano Bay Bridge replacement project in Rockport, Texas, upgraded the 2-mile-long bridge from 2 lanes to 4 lanes. Because of the bridge's location, it also has a 75-foot maximum vertical clearance in the event of hurricane evacuations. Valley Prestress Products included in this project the first cylindrical prestressed concrete pile to be used in TxDOT highway construction, as well as the longest prestressed member to be plant manufactured and shipped to a job site in the state of Texas. This record-breaking cylindrical prestressed pile was created by Texas Valley Prestress Products and measures 179 feet 6 inches in length. This project used 330 24-inch square prestressed concrete piles averaging 84 feet, 480 54-inch cylindrical prestressed concrete piles from 83 feet to 179 feet 6 inches, 120 TX54 and TX70 girders spanning 96 feet to 150 feet, and over 1 million square feet of decking panels.